connais wap crier, baby, mais faut Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap krité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer, écris chaque
Yeah.
Park and brake off.
Yeah.
And gotta make sure everything works. Nobody's in my way. Go ahead on. Okay, good. I was scared.
That's a straightaway.
This will be my first car, but it's actually going to be the hybrid.
Okay. We got one for you too. You're looking to get new?
Huh?
You looking to get a new or?
Used or new? Well, I prefer used since it has more money to save.
Right.
But as long as it's fuel efficient.
Right. Me too.
Yeah. Better car we test drive is a 4Runner, but it's a Mitsubishi.
Is much bigger.
Yeah, I like bigger cars for a tall guy.
Yeah.
Oh, Sequoia. The Sequoia is going to be a hit. I need
Yes,
that one
it
better
is.
than. I was at the auto show and that Sequoia. I was like, this will definitely be my big brother. I need that one.
Yeah.
But it was on display unfortunately. But I have to wait till. But super duper than that is the Land Cruisers. But LX600 is beating it to be exemplary since one is discontinued.
Right. That's a plan, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's much easier that way. There you go.
Really long.
I really long, baby Lee long.
T'es du long distance, là, pas ta marcher.
I really long, baby Lee long.
Koto tande l'amour, jambe de l'eau, baby, pas noyé. T'es du long distance, là, pas ta marcher.
I really long,